Good day, everyone. Another tutorial for today. It's The Weeknd, Wasted Times by The Weeknd. There are 4 chords to this song, to this cover. The first chord is an A minor 7, 5x, 555x, A minor 7. The second chord is an E minor 7, X79787, E minor 7. The third chord is a B minor 7, 7x777x, B minor 7. The fourth and last chord is a C major 7, X3545x. So there's only one major chord. The rest, the first 3 are all minor chords, or in this specifically minor 7. And then the last is the major 7. Now in terms of count and strumming, relative to each other, the A minor 7 has 3 counts. The E minor 7 has 4 counts. The B minor 7 has 3 counts. And the C major 7 has 4 counts. So this is a 3-4-3-4 count cover. Okay? Now let me show you once you assemble all this. A minor 7, E minor 7, B minor 7, C major 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor 7, E minor 7, B minor 7, C major 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it's based on a G major key. The original song is, I think, 1 fret higher or sharp of this. But for simplicity, we'll just do this G major instead of a G sharp major. And I'm using all the 7 chords. It just sounds nicer on it. The other thing is, these chords are the same. It's what's used also in the verse and what's used in the chorus. So it's the same set of chords. Slightly different on the outro because you'll essentially be just fading out the A minor 7 and the E minor 7. Okay, now we have the chords, now we have the finger positioning, and then we have the counts. Now we should be ready to cover the song. So let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wasted time I spent with someone else. She wasn't even half of you, reminiscing how you felt. And even though you put my life through hell, I can't seem to forget about you. I want you to myself. And now I'm asking, who do you belong to now? Who you giving love to now? Oh, who you pulling up on? Who you getting sprung for now? And once you got it, I don't got it. I got a lot to make me run about him. Got me blowing up his spot, 'cause I ain't got no business catching feelings anyway. I ain't got no business catching feelings, catching feelings.
Now it goes to the second verse after this, using the same chords. The same count. I will post the chords and the finger positioning at the bottom of this video. You can repeat it. You can adjust the key if you're higher or lower, because these are all the keys I've used are all movable keys anyway. So you can do that, and you can review and review until you get it. Okay, thank you. Till next time, bye-bye.